This is the new Range Rover Evoque P300 HST, a sporty new specification for the brand's smallest SUV priced from £50,400. The HST spec is based on the company's R-Dynamic S trim level. In terms of equipment, that means it comes as standard with a sliding panoramic sunroof, an electrically operated tailgate and premium LED headlamps, fitted with the brand's signature L-shaped daytime running lights. However, the HST introduces several sporty styling tweaks. These include gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy glass and red brake calipers. Buyers also get black replacements for the SUV's badging, side vents, bonnet louvres, door mirror caps and exterior brightwork. There's also a vast number of paints for buyers to choose from, with 11 body colors. Inside, the Evoque HST gets a suede cloth steering wheel, an ebony suede cloth headliner, grained leather seat upholstery and Range Rover-branded treadplates. Land Rover has also included a 13-speaker 400W Meridian sound system as part of the package. Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro infotainment system also comes as standard, giving buyers a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and two 10-inch touchscreens. The upper screen folds out of the dashboard and handles the SUV's infotainment functions, while the latter controls the Evoque's heating and ventilation systems. The Evoque HST is only available with Land Rover's P300 2.0-liter four-cylinder mild hybrid petrol engine. It develops 296 bhp and 400 Nm of torque, which the brand says is enough for a 0-62 mph time of 6.8 seconds and a top speed of 150 mph. The engine sends drive through a 9-speed automatic gearbox to a 4-wheel drive system, which can be configured using Land Rover's Terrain Response 2 drive mode selector. It has settings for mud, sand and snow, as well as an automatic mode, which can detect the type of terrain under the Evoque's tires and set up the chassis accordingly.